Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up a variety of old Hot Wheels cars. Starting off here with the green construction Dodge Viper RT10 from 2001. Next, we have a 2010 new model red 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. Here we have a Mercedes C-Class from the X-Ray Cruiser series. Up next is collector number 242, the classic Camaro race car. This 2007 new model is the blue Volkswagen Golf GTI. We have a 2006 first edition Chrysler 300C Hemi. From the year 2003, we have a first edition Ford F-150. Next, we have a wild-looking motorcycle called the Scorchin' Scooter. Let's take a look at this crazy year 2000 first edition called Roll Cage. And finally for today, we have a year 1998 first edition called Solar Eagle 3. So there we have some pretty cool older Hot Wheels models, definitely a wide variety of vehicles. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.